it's time to take a trip. Young rich nigga, yeah, you know that we with it. Last week made $250,000.
What? Look at in it. Oh, what? Look at in it. What? Look at in it. What? Fuck in it. Yo. Oh, fuck in it. Yo. Fuck in it. Fuck in it.
Marshmallow booty, I like the sprinkler too. I'm the ice cream man, this my song when I'm riding through. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man, she chunky monkey. I'm the ice cream man, she chunky monkey. All these money hungry hippos wanna love me. All these diamonds dusty, mine just clear and sunny. I don't rock the 70s, no them shits is ugly. I'm in the ghetto, the gutter.
Up like what it's in for. They saying 616 is what the word is. But bitches going there.
They love me and real nigga feel me. They know that I'm getting it. Video vixen, they know that I'm hitting it. Run up a ticket, post a pic on the ground just to stun on you bitches.
Done at the gym, I was breaking my wrist. Hit the highway, it's time to take a trip. Young rich nigga, yeah, you know that we with it. Last week made $250,000. Right through the city, I swerve in the Bentley. GT 2017, come to the 150 bricks. I put them in the field of jump. Hey.
Dollars never disappear. How?
Yeah. Hey. 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 Yeah.
Suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man. She chunky monkey. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me.
Come on now, man.
Don't look now, I'm blowing up. Both of us, we both the bus, no hope for us. They know the sauce all over now, and we never slowing down. By my wings, it's over now. Lately, pacing, patience fading crazy. I've been slaving daily, ain't complacent. They just hate me, wasting time. I hate myself, but both of us are ready, baby. Maybe next time will be different. Watch it back the whole 360. 180, y'all and them fake ones. Finna leave this place and they gon' miss me, yeah. Cause he wasn't with us when we first started. No help, no love, no